Well, a San Diego-based biotech company is launching a new study seeking a cure for type 1 diabetes.
Our Natasha Sweet is live at UCSD, the first site in the country for these trials to take place. Natasha.
Yeah, that's right. It's the first study of its kind, and with no cure for type 1 diabetes, local researchers are hoping to make headway for the some 3 million Americans impacted by this life-threatening condition.
There's very few days I go without crying.
Amanda Galick says she was horrified when doctors diagnosed her 5-year-old son Graydon with type 1 diabetes. Red flags were raised when Graydon's behavior drastically changed.
For a good month and a half, 2 months, we were battling him in rages, just not being nice. Caught him drinking out of every single place you could even think of to drink water.
After a teacher told Galick a student with similar symptoms died of a diabetic coma, she quickly took his advice.
Run every red light, go to Children's, you need to be admitted.
Now, almost a year later,
go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
The Galick family is doing everything they can to keep Graydon alive.
I would probably take anything else over this for my child, because there's cures for so much more, but there's not a cure for this.
San Diego-based ViaCyte is teaming up with UCSD researchers to change that.
I'm hoping for patients with type 1 diabetes have a new alternative therapy.
Dr. Robert Henry, UCSD professor of medicine, is lead investigator on a new study. In the study, they'll test a newly approved drug that works with stem cells to produce insulin and glucagon, the very hormones a type 1 diabetes pancreas can't produce. Dr. Henry hopes the outcome will save lives.
The blood sugars can go very high, and that can cause complication, or they can go very low and cause unconsciousness, and if in fact your blood sugars go low and stay low, you'll die.
Now, these will be the first human trials, so of course some risks are involved, like getting an infection or an immune system reaction, but Dr. Henry says that safety is their top priority when it comes to this study, and trials are expected to get underway as early as next week. Reporting live in La Jolla, Natasha Sweet, San Diego 6 News.